North Korea, one of the world's most secretive and enigmatic nations, land of contrast, towering monuments in the capital city of Pyongyang, yet vast rural areas where time seems frozen. But what lies beneath this mysterious facade? Let's dive in. Pyongyang, the capital, is like a stage set. It meticulously planned, yearly clean, and home to a massive structure like the Ryongyong Hotel, a 105-story skyscraper that dominates the skyline, yet it remains empty, a symbol of ambition and stagnation. Residents here enjoy the privileges unimaginable in the countryside, but remember, every tourist sees only what the government wants them to see. Beyond Pyongyang, the story changes. Rural areas faces food shortages, electricity blackouts, and isolation. Life here revolves around the agriculture and rigid control. The outside world is distant literally and figuratively. Mobile phones connect only internally, and the internet is almost non-existent. At the center of it all, the Kim dynasty, a family that has ruled for 3 generations with an iron grip. Propaganda is everywhere. Children are taught songs praising the leadership, and every home must display portraits of the supreme leaders. It's a system built on loyalty or fear. North Korea's isolation isn't total. The nation walks a fine line with its neighbors and global power. Its nuclear weapon program has brought attention and sanctions, making life even harder for ordinary citizens. Yet, through smuggling and secret trade, the regime claims itself afloat. So, is North Korea is changing? Slowly, cracks are forming. Information from the outside world is trickling in through USB drives. Illicit broadcasts. The younger generation dreams of something different. But in this tightly controlled state, change is a dangerous game. North Korea remains a puzzle, part theater, part reality, a land of hardship, resilience, and untold stories. What does the future hold? Only time will tell. Until then, the mystery continues. Thank you so much for listening me. Subscribe for more fascinating stories from around the world. Thank you again.